Presenting Mi 4X 55 inches Ultra HD Android LED TV in the color black. This TV is also available in 50-inch and 65-inch variants. This 4K Ultra HD Android LED TV with the refresh rate of 60 Hz makes your viewing experience delightful. The 4K HDR10 display with LED panel and vivid picture engine provides you an immersive viewing experience. The maximum viewing distance of this TV is 14 feet. Powered by Android TV 9.0 operating system and PatchWall 3.0, this TV supports Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+Hotstar and more. This Mi TV also features Data Saver and Google Assistant for your ease. This LED Android TV has 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports for easy connectivity. The 20 watts audio output and Dolby audio with DTS-HD provides you with clear and enticing musical experience. Inside the box, you will find one LED TV, 4 screws, stand, remote control, smart remote and manual. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.